Hello and welcome to Anita Life. My name's Anita. Ever curious and always up for a challenge, I decided to tackle something that's been making waves in the wellness world: cold plunging. So for 30 days, I immersed myself in this chilly practice, and the journey has been nothing short of remarkable. I'm here to take you through this plunge into wellness and share the ups and the downs and the surprising benefits of this cold adventure. But remember, it's not just about the cold, it's about unlocking the benefits that I never saw coming. Thank you. One of the most astonishing shifts was in my mental clarity and focus. Before this challenge, I actually really had to work at staying focused on the tasks at hand. But as I continued with the cold plunges, something remarkable happened. It was like that fog had lifted. Suddenly, tasks that seemed overwhelming became manageable, and I found myself tackling projects with a kind of a newfound sharpness. And I could actually finish them, probably not with ease that I would like, but I could finish them. My mornings, of course, were never sluggish, but my evenings were periods of unproductivity, and now I'm having clear thoughts, feeling like I can get things done. I was truly present in every moment. Also, and here's a big thing that you can do for me, is to like and subscribe this content so I can keep putting it out there. All right, that was like blackmail. It's not like I mean, I would love for you to like this because I work hard at bringing stuff to you that I think you'll like. Now back to the program. Okay, so there's, of course, this physical aspect, which I'm sure you've heard a lot about. And one of the things that I was excited about was the systemic inflammation that I'd like to not have anymore. And to get rid of that arthritic pain, because it would dampen my spirits, and frankly, it made doing heavy back squats harder to do. Not that I didn't, but it did make it harder. So I was hoping for some relief through that cold plunging. What I didn't anticipate was the extent of that relief. Gradually, I began to notice that decrease in stiffness and discomfort the days following a heavier lifting session. Now, that's pretty incredible because I didn't really find things that were consistent that would keep that discomfort at bay. Okay, so the movements, again, that were once really painful, they became smoother and less noticeable. So I started enjoying workouts that I had been avoiding, workouts that had, say, 35 squats in them, 80 squats in them, 100 squats in them. Even if they were just air squats, just moving through that range of motion would get somewhat uncomfortable. No, they were painful. There were times they were just painful. It was like an ice pick right in my knee. So oddly enough, I would scale and modify. If we had a lot of wall balls, I would scale and modify. Just, the knees didn't always appreciate it. But since I was feeling less of those aches than I used to, it was so much easier to be willing to even try those workouts. So as I look back on my 30-day cold plunge journey, the experience has been more than just about enduring the cold water, which of course I had to do because there were days, especially later after workout, if I waited or if I went right after my morning walk, when honestly the thought of plunging into that cold was daunting. Yet, every time I pushed through that reluctance, I was met with mental clarity, mental fortitude. So it became a mental game. And I learned that it wasn't as bad as anticipated because those things that we put off never are as bad as we anticipate. So this mental fortitude, this pushing past the dread, was an unexpected takeaway. Physically, of course, I noticed a desire to move more. A couple of weeks into the challenge, I found myself adding short jogs into my morning walks, which is something that, honestly, I hadn't done before. I don't like it. But those cold plunges seemed to unlock a new level of energy and motivation in me. The most surprising aspect was, of course, in my tolerance to cold. By the last week, usually about 2 minutes into the plunge, I found that I could actually relax and think clearly, even in that chilling water. Now, this was a stark contrast to that initial, I'm going to call it clenchy and strained effort all throughout all the minutes. So here's what I've learned. Are you ready for this? This experience taught me a really valuable lesson in staying calm and breathing through those stressful situations, letting go of things out of my control. Let's talk about the misconception of those quick fixes in our wellness journeys. In a world where instant results are often glorified, it's easy to fall into the trap of the one try and quit attitude, especially with those natural solutions like cold plunging. But here's the truth I've learned. Real, lasting benefits come from consistency and commitment. It's not about dipping your toe in once and expecting miracles. It's about diving in even when it's tough and giving your body the time it needs to adapt and respond. Now, this journey has taught me the power of exploring what our bodies are capable of with time and dedication. I encourage you, my lovely viewers, to explore your own potential. It's a process of learning and adapting, and your body is an incredible machine. And when challenged, it can surprise you with its resilience. So don't be afraid to test your limits and discover what you're truly capable of achieving. Okay, we can complement traditional medicine with these practices that can enhance your overall well-being. Now, my journey has been about finding balance, so listening to my body, but while also seeking that professional advice when I've needed it. So what am I going to do now? Well, here's what I've decided. I am going to continue to cold plunge. I really enjoyed it, but I'm not going to do it every day. And mostly the challenge of daily preparation is the reason why. That was quite an endeavor. The benefits have made it a practice I do want to maintain, and I have set limits. I'm not going to go in water below 49 degrees, and definitely there will be no ice breaking for me. But I really did enjoy it. So my message to anyone curious about cold plunging is simple. It's for anyone, but it's not for everyone. But you won't know the benefits it holds for you until you take the plunge. It's about discovering your own resilience, both mentally and physically. For me, it was a journey of unexpected transformations, and I believe it could be for you too. Now, for a bit of fun. Okay, here we go. I dare you to try your own cold plunge journey. Yeah, there were days I shivered sitting in the plunge. I think I'll point that out here. And there were days I stayed cold all day long. But looking back, it's mostly almost humorous. But only almost, because those days were cold. So I challenge you to choose for yourself, which is what makes it so empowering. And for those feeling hesitant, remember, it's not about diving in perfectly on day one. Let me tell you about my day one. So my day one, I had to start the tub draining before I would get in. And then I never even got in, so the water never came up above my shoulders. And I was doing that panic breathing the whole time. It was very difficult. So again, it's not about making it perfect. You just have to take that first step, or splash as it may be. Now, another thing that you can do is count your milestones. I didn't do that, but I do know the power of embracing those small wins. Maybe it's lasting 10 seconds longer than yesterday, or maybe your small win is just getting in the tub when you really don't want to. Whatever your victory looks like, celebrate it. These small triumphs are what keep you moving forward day by chilly day. Hey, I know not everyone is a follow the group type. I'm not that way either. But having a community can offer a different kind of motivation. So comment down below if you're going to try to cold plunge, or if you think I'm crazy for even giving it a go. Let me know that too. I'll support you either way, whichever way you decide to go. Changing things up a bit. I'm going to get in first thing in the morning. Remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. Okay. Okay. Remember to breathe. So this is a bonus day. What time is it? Me in the tub, and then I'm gonna go work out. So I don't think I'm gonna give you the whole day. This looks like it's still extra filled. I know. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna go for 4 minutes. There we go. That's much better lighting. I mean, it's still 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, see you after. And let me tell you some things that I learned that I think are kind of important. I've compiled a list of tips that I wish I knew before starting. They are pretty simple things like, hey, wearing a swimsuit for a bit of that extra warmth is beautiful. Or gradually adjusting the water temperature from maybe starting at 59 instead of 48 or whatever. And maybe for those feeling bold at the end of your plunge, go ahead and dunk your whole head in. Hang on. That's a game changer. I really do want to hear about your experience. So leave a message. Put a comment down there. Also, check the links for, you can see what kind of bathtub, cold plunger that I used. It fits nicely in my shower stall. It wouldn't fit nicely in a bathtub. We have done hot baths in there as well as the cold bath, so cold plunge. You can't go back and forth unless, of course, you have a really big shower. But yeah, I enjoyed it, and I'll do it again, and I'll keep doing it because I have enjoyed the benefits. I would really love a dedicated area that's not outside, that I could keep a permanent cold plunge tub in. That would be pretty awesome, I think. Okay, that's it for me here. Tell me what you think, and like and subscribe. And I'm going to keep doing these anyway. You might as well find out what I'm talking about. Okay, I think you guys are great. Thanks for staying tuned. Check out my links below, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.